Here's a list of all the fun stuff that happens at our park. Oh, don't forget chair yoga. Wednesday. Thursday. Fridays. I'm doing the Bunko on Friday. They do it once a month, it looks like. Horseshoes, water aerobics, card making. And they have the monthly calendars at a glance. Here's January. Here's February. And there's March. They post 3 months at a whack. Here's Saturday. Texas Hold'em. Sunday is always ice cream. Looks like they're doing a memorial service. And then they have all the sign-up sheets for the events. Oh, there's some music happening. Oh, there's a lady that does massages here in the park. General info. And, oh, there's the barbecue. This is the rec hall. They got a pool and a hot tub here, too. Alright, here's the January specials. Look at the cornholes. They do cornhole every week. There's another barbecue grill there. There's a pond over there. Alright, here's the laundry room. Very nice. They got a row of washers, a couple of big ones in case you need to do blankets or big loads, and a whole bank of dryers and rolly baskets. Nice. It's happy hour time. Wait, they're playing cornhole today. Kurt's getting it. Oh, that wasn't a good shot though. Look at all these wonderful people that I love. Oh, yay. All right, it's campfire day. We got a nice big campfire. We got lots of friendly, awesome folks. Look at the sky. Ooh, palm trees. Ah, look at the moon tonight. It's beautiful. It's a full one.